Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in this tutorial video I'll be showing you how to add custom fonts in CapCut Desktop 2025. This is perfect if you want your videos to stand out with unique branding or creative styles. Let's get started. Your first step would be to subscribe and like this video for more content like this, and let's get into it. So your first step or the second step would be to open up your browser and simply look up the website that font, or you could try Microsoft Word. They kind of like have a little package you could use to download, or Google Fonts as well, or Font Squirrel. They all work. Now all you need to do on the fonts is just simply click on the link and open it up. So once it's opened up, just find the font you wish to download and simply click on download at the top right corner here. When you click on download, the download would begin and you would find it in your download manager once it started. So this is the script I want to download. Just go ahead and click on save and you'll see the download has begun on my computer. All right, so once you're done downloading, just minimize and open up CapCut on your computer. While CapCut opens up, just head over to your Explorer. And once it's opened, please note that your files that are downloaded from the websites are usually saved in a .ttf format or .otf. All right, so let's head over to downloads. And on the download menu, you can find the file here. Let's just go ahead and open this. Once you've opened it, let's go ahead and extract this file. All right, and once you've extracted it, just go ahead and open up the script and then simply click on any of them. Just double click on it and there should be an option to install. All right, these are the scripts. Go ahead and click on install at the top right and it's going to install it. And once it's done, close this, minimize, and then open up CapCut as I said earlier. So open up CapCut. With CapCut opened up, just go ahead and click on create project. Alright guys, so once CapCut has opened up on your computer, how can you go about adding this new downloaded text or font? It's quite easy. So from the import menu, just head over to text, click on text. And then where we have text, that's add text, forget about presets. Presets are like online text. Just go ahead and add this, hover above this default text and click on this blue plus, and then it will be added to the track. Now from here under fonts, just click on fonts here. And then a list of fonts are going to show from your system fonts. So you should be able to find the downloaded fonts you selected, and then you can make use of it. So let's say you selected fonts like this. You can now have your font you downloaded on here. You can edit it by changing the color. You could add different colors. You could make it a different color. You could underline. You could italicize. You could change the case type to uppercase or lowercase or a mixture of title case. And yeah, you have successfully added it. And then for text to speech, it would use the same font for your text to speech as well. If you're using the text to speech option, you could work on the animations for the text as well. As you can see, it's currently highlighted. You could work on it. You could add animations to it. You could work with tracking as well, but you would need to download some of these animations before they work on your screen. And then you could customize it by dragging. You could customize the size. You could increase. You could expand. You could work on the outline by just simply selecting the text. Just double click on the text and you can change what is inside the text. Yeah. So guys, once you're done, just go ahead and click on export, and you can simply export this text as well as the video out in an MP4 format or an MP3, an MP4 format only. And you could also work on the resolution as well. You could take it up to 4K. All right, guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.